Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been forever and I'm so sorry, but I'm so back. Today we are making creamy chicken and shrimp jerk pasta. Stay tuned. We're gonna start out with 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. I kind of butterflied them here, so we have 4 pieces of chicken. And then at the end, I chopped them into strips. It's been a long time. I seasoned my chicken breast with lemon pepper, ground paprika, garlic powder, and Walker Woods jerk seasoning. The best jerk seasoning in the world, I promise you. Then we just mix this together, pop it in the fridge, and let it marinate. As time goes by. Then we're starting off with the vein and peeled shrimp. I season my shrimp with the same exact things that I season my chicken with. And I pop this in the fridge as well. Make sure everything is combined. You want to taste every bit of everything on every piece of shrimp, okay? Then you want to start with your skillet, add olive oil. Then add in your chicken breasts. I wanted grill marks on my chicken breasts. You guys know how I am about my grill marks. And I kind of got them. They weren't like what I was going for, but hey, they worked. I did add in butter to my chicken. Once your chicken is done, of course, remove it from the skillet. And then we're going to cook our shrimp in the same skillet. As time goes by. Once I remove my shrimp, I added in my frozen veggies. Yes, this is the quicker way, guys. Just grab your bag of frozen veggies. Y'all know usually I chop everything fresh. I did not add garlic this time. I actually forgot, but you can add garlic if you want. That is half a pound of heavy cream. I did add 2, so you will need a whole pint of heavy cream to make this recipe. Mix that together, then I cook it on high for a few minutes, combine everything together. The liquid I poured in was pasta water. Let it come to a boil. Then cut your heat and let it sit and thicken. I added salt. And I also added jerk seasoning off camera. I'm sorry, the jerk marinade off camera. Time's sake. That was garlic powder as well that I added. As time goes by. Then for cheese, I added in some Parmesan. The whole entire thing. It was, I believe, 4 ounces. And I had some mozzarella left over, so I was like, hey, might as well throw this in there. You want your sauce to thicken, so you want it to simmer for about 5 minutes. And letting it rest usually helps it to thicken as well. This was so freaking good. It was so freaking good, especially when I added more of the jerk marinade to it. And it was that kick up in the Baby, it was so good. So here I'm pouring my sauce over my cream sauce over my noodles. Then we're going to add in our shrimp and chicken. And voila, you guys, you have creamy jerk chicken and shrimp pasta. So good. If you wanted to top it off with Parmesan cheese, like grated Parmesan cheese, you totally could. If you didn't want to add meat, you don't have to, you know, do what you do. You can even add, I was thinking about adding like mushrooms. Well, that probably would have been good as well. But thank you for tuning in, guys. I miss you guys so much. I promise not to be gone for this long again. But whenever you make this dish, be sure to tag me on Instagram at Qoyacooks. Until next time, see you guys. Bye.
Some of the old songs.